Hi, my name is Samantha Joseph and I am a physiotherapy graduate of the University of the West Indies Mona campus in Jamaica. I recently bought a table, as you can see, this big box here in front of me. And I just wanted to practice some of my skills as I wait on my internship. I was really looking for a table that I could have used for both massage as well as physiotherapy, so this was a really good buy. So we're gonna start opening this. So beds on Amazon usually range between like 100 US to over 300. So I'd say I got a bed for a fairly okay price. Ugh. And it's very versatile, that's why I like it. A lot of beds aren't like this. It weighs, so the entire package weighs 43 pounds, but the bed by itself is only 35 pounds, so it's easy to lift. I think I could take it out. I'm strong enough. Alright, so this is the carrying bag for it. It's made out of nylon, right? And you have your pockets here, so if you want to put your oils or your powders, your wax, and something else in here. Oh, this is for on the bed itself. Alright. Let's open it. Alright, so the maximum weight that this could hold is 450 pounds. And I'm about 120 pounds, so you could imagine 4 of me on this bed. Alright. Alright, so this material here is made from synthetic leather, and it's also vegan friendly. It's oil and waterproof, so you know it being stain resistant is a good thing if you're not using sheets on it. And it's packed with high density foam, and the thickness of it is 2.5 inches. Right, so I'll clip here. Okay, this is fairly light. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so these are all the detachables from underneath the bed. So this is the headrest. These are the armrests for at the side. So with the armrest, the width of the bed is 34 inches. When you use the headrest, the length would be 84 inches, right? Then this part goes underneath the headrest for you to rest your arm on, right? Oh, look this part as well. So this is what the headrest goes on. So you attach this and then you put the headrest onto it. So it's made out of hardwood, as well as the whole frame of the bed, and the legs are non-slip. Okay, most massage beds are two-fold, but the good thing about this one is that it has 3 sections. So it has this half and this half, and it also has this magical piece in the middle here, which is the only reason why I bought the bed. You get some lumbar support for your client, and you could also have them in the cardiac position. So I could use it for both massage as well as physiotherapy. And if I don't want to attach the headrest, I just remove this little thing here, and your client could have their head through the hole. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different slots you could put it at. I have my lumbar support, could do my stretches, and I still have room to move, you know, on the bed itself. So I would actually recommend buying this bed. It's Saloniture professional portable massage table, and it's very versatile only because of this third section here. So the legs are also adjustable. This here is 24 inches and it goes all the way up to 35 inches. So you have to unscrew these 2 screws here. Thank you for watching my little unboxing video / review, and I hope you guys tune in and follow me on this beautiful journey of becoming the best PT I could be.